Hey guys, in this video we are going to download our Java program Intellij, and we are also getting the setup ready and make sure that our code can run, okay? So I have the instructions here. We are gonna first click on the first link. After accessing this link, we are gonna click download. We wanna make sure that we don't download this version because this is the one that you need to pay for. So you just go down and go to the community edition and click download. For Mac users, just click Mac OS, go down and download this one, okay? So since we're on Windows, this video is gonna be based on Windows, okay? We click download. Now let's wait for this to download. Is just gonna take a few seconds. After it's done, we are gonna open. We are gonna click yes. Here you can see the welcome page. We are gonna continue. You can change and whether you want to save in the application, but you can use the default one that they give you. So I'm just gonna select next. In here, you want to make sure that you accept creating a shortcut in your desktop and also adding a path. And we go next and click install. This part is gonna take a few moments, but I'm gonna talk about Mac OS. So after you download the DMG file, you just need to open the DMG file and drag it to the application folder. So after you drag the file of the DMG file, you just drag it over to the application and you should be able to open it from there, okay? Almost done. After this, and you can actually just click reboot now, but since I'm doing the video, I'm just gonna stay on doing manually after this. So I'm gonna put finish. We're gonna go back to the instructions. We did this already. So in here we are gonna click the other link to download the JDK pack. If you're on this website, you scroll down and here, if you're using Windows, you just go to Windows and download the middle one, the one that ends on exe. And if you have Mac OS, you just download the one that's DMG, okay? So here we are gonna download this one. Done, we're gonna open it. We are gonna click yes again. I already installed it on my computer, but I can reinstall it for you two guys to see. Here we are gonna click next. Again, you can put in whatever folder of your choice, but you can use the default one. Let's click next, and it's gonna take a few moments. Perfect. You just want to make sure that it says this, that is successfully installed, and you can click close. After that, we are gonna follow the instructions again. We are gonna launch the application. Intellij, right here. So I already created a new project, but it's gonna appear almost the same thing. You're gonna select new project in this part, and after selecting new project, here you can add the title in this part. And if you're taking CS180 or CS280, you just type CS180 or what the professor says that you need to put on your project. I'm just gonna put CS180 for now. And here you wanna make sure that you are using the package that you download. As it says here, I have the registered JDKs pack. Sometimes it can say that detected JDKs and you select that one, or you can just manually find the JDK pack that you just downloaded from here, okay? So we're gonna select this one. We're gonna click create and make sure that you don't have this one put on because it's gonna create a code. And we need to learn how to create the code ourselves. So let's create it. It's gonna appear just like this. So in here you have the folder created. You can go down and see all the packages that you have. So in here, to create your first Java program, you just right click it, put new, Java class, and you can put whatever name. I'm just gonna put an example run. So here we have our first Java project. So on instructions, it says that we need to write down our first code. So we're just gonna manually type it. Public static void string brackets. Make sure that you add this all the spaces and symbols. Here we are gonna just put hello IntelliJ. Oh, IntelliJ exclamation mark. Remember the semicolon. And I think we should be done. Move to our source root. Now your code should be able to look like this. I know in the instruction it says main, but this is just the name of your program, so it shouldn't be any issues. Let's click run the program. And yeah, as you can see, it says hello IntelliJ. And we are making sure that our program works. After this, the final step is to just click these lines, main menu, go to help, go down, and as you can see here, it says check for updates. We are gonna check for any updates. And yeah, I think you can see here that it says that we have the latest version. So it should be fine. Then the next step is to go to File and add the plugins, the most common plugins on instructions and some file settings. Then we go to plugins here. This first one is JIT. We just gonna click install, accept. Now we are gonna download Lombok, install, perfect. And then we're gonna finish with Maven, Maven, install. And yeah, it should be able to work fine. Let's close it. Now, as you can see, you can create many folders and you can have access to all your programs. Here, I have the folders for our first Java code, and I hope you like this video.